Jaya, it's 7 o'clock already.
दौड़ दौड़ भागा भागा सा 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 वक्त ये सख्त है थोड़ा 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 मांगा मांगा सा थोड़ा थोड़ा मांगा मांगा सा
Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Live, and today's video is all about laundry and cleaning cabinet organization. If you have seen our previous video on utility area organization, then you probably have seen that we barely have any space there to store our laundry essentials. So I had to think outside of the box to set up a laundry cabinet where I'm going to put all those laundry essentials, which should be easy to access and should have an organized system to maintain on daily basis. Now let's see what are my thoughts to organize this laundry and cleaning cabinet. While I was planning the kitchen cabinets, I made the plan according to our need, as already I knew that I cannot put any cabinet in utility area, so I planned one dedicated cabinet inside the kitchen which will be near the utility area or wash area. And here you can see this is our laundry and cleaning cabinet. Now let's talk about the organization system. When we first moved in, I just put everything inside this cabinet. You can see a complete disorganized mess. कैबिनेट खोलते ही इस तरह का जम्बल्ड मेस देखना क्या हमें अच्छा लगेगा? For me, it's a big no. So I was searching for a system which will be helpful for me to access this cabinet on daily basis. I decided to put this detergent rack which came along with kitchen modular accessories. Later on, I will show you how it turned into a great functional space. Now moving on to the system part, I took out everything to gauge the space properly. Then I divided everything in categories like laundry detergents and kitchen cleaners, miscellaneous, etc. And after that I put them in their designated space in the cabinet. But what I felt, this type of cabinets are great to dump anything in there if you don't know where to put any homely stuff. So my advice is to beautify the space. Of course, according to your budget. Here I'm just using a pretty wrapping paper which cost me around 10 rupees to wrap these clear containers. Also, I'm wrapping the front side only, not the entire box, because my purpose is to make the cabinet look similar, cohesive, and of course aesthetically pleasing. Now let's start with an after tour. Up here I have kept a Sterilite basket to hold few extra containers and disposables. I purchased it almost 7-8 years back from Paperfry. Now they discontinued it, I guess. I will try to find a similar basket. If you wish, you can check description box for the link, or else you can probably find it in local market too. As we don't need these items frequently, so the upper shelf is a great place to store them. Right beside the basket, I kept one collapsible laundry basket. I bought it from DMart. It is such a great system for your laundry. Especially I use it when we have piled of laundry to sort, or if we have guests at home, we can offer the basket to put their laundry in there. Also, storage is not a fuss for this collapsible laundry basket. Down here in this basket, I stored all extra cleaning and laundry products. Here I label it as extra. Basically, we all know where to find extra products for refill or to store them. In this basket, I store all extra scrubbers, wipes and gloves. In this container, extra laundry detergents. This one is shoe hanger, especially I use it in rainy season to dry shoes or if I wash my daughter's shoe. After adding this wrapping paper in front of these containers, make the cabinet looks very neat or clean. Down here mostly I have kept those items which I use on daily basis like for cleaning or laundry. In this basket I keep kitchen cleaning products or floor cleaners. Let me show you what I kept behind these baskets. I have used this storage shelf to maximize the space in this cabinet. In this repurposed food storage container, I have kept heat gel, extra cleaning brushes, all sorts of things. In here, naphthalene, pitambari, irupuri, etc. which I use occasionally. Above the shelf, bathroom essentials like hand soap, air fresheners. Again, I cover it only the front side of the container to make it look nicer. Right side, baking soda, drainage cleaners, vinegar, labeled and sorted. And in this basket, clothespins and mesh bags for washing machine. Up here I have hung an extra spoon to take out baking soda or other powdered cleaning products. Now moving on to the door, above here I have kept one cleaning glove, and down here I stored daily used laundry products. On the upper shelf, liquid laundry detergent, and down here laundry detergent powder. In this container I kept Ariel, back there Dettol. In this two containers, Tide and Vanish. Back there Ujala and stain remover. If possible, then we can pour out enough detergent into a separate container and store the bulk item in another separate container. It would be easy to handle on daily basis. Now moving on to the lower cabinet, on the first shelf I have stored our bulky pantry items like 10 kg atta pack, 5 kg rice pack, as we are now family of 5, so we need basic groceries in bulk. Down here I store all sorts of linen like towels, bed sheets and to be hand washed clothes in this basket. Probably many of you have seen this basket from our wardrobe organization video, and here I am repurposing them. They make this cabinet so functional. और एक मन की बात बताऊं, I felt so happy when I find a basket which fits just perfectly in that space. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope that I'm able to motivate you to organize your laundry on cleaning cabinet, and if you are organizing your space, don't forget to send me the before and after picture on my Instagram or Facebook page so that I can share those pictures with our audience or with our viewers, and your picture will motivate many of us. Now share this video with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.